Let's make Christmas tree pizza from the Nightmare Before Christmas. While the pizza dough thaws, we're going to get started on our toppings. We're going to have red onion garlands, red bell pepper ornaments, and black olive spiders. All right, so we're gonna take the red onion and we're going to cut it into slices. And then what we wanna do is we're just gonna take these, kind of cut them like this, so we can get that nice garland shape. Now for the bell pepper, the recipe says to just roughly chop it, but the picture has cute circles, so I'm gonna use a piping tip to kind of punch out some circles. And lastly, we'll wanna make our spiders. So first we'll do the bodies. I'm just gonna cut them in half, like that. All right, and now to make the legs, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna cut it in half. Sometimes I kind of chop off the ends like this, and then cut 4 little legs. With our toppings ready, I've gone ahead and preheated our oven to 450 degrees. That's why you can hear the hum in the background. And now we're going to shape our pizza dough. All right, we're gonna start by pinching off just a little piece. This is our trunk. I'm gonna shape that into a roughly rectangular shape. All right, that there. And now, for the hard part, we're going to take the rest of our dough and try and make a Christmas tree. You can use a rolling pin, or you can stretch it. I like stretching it because, you know, woo, it's like pizza. How are we looking on size? Let's make her a little bit bigger. Yeah, she looks pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and put her down. There we go, very gently put her down. We'll probably have to stretch her again. It looks like the dough is sort of springing back, which means the gluten's still a little too crazy. So if your dough is springing back like this, that's okay. Just leave it alone and we'll come back to it in like 5 minutes and we'll finish stretching it out, and I think we'll be ready to get the tree dressed up. Now we get to put the pesto on the tree. It's about a 1/3 cup. We aren't going to put this on the stump because, you know, a stump is not green. I'm probably being a little bit more generous with the pesto, but I love pesto. And now we are going to sprinkle on the mozzarella. We don't want too much because we want to actually be able to see the green pesto underneath. And now we get to do our decorations. So let's start with our garland pieces. Now that the pizza has been decorated, we're gonna pop this into the lower third of our oven for 10 minutes. The pizza is done, and now we're just gonna let it cool off just a little bit before cutting it and seeing how it tastes. Now to give it a try. So it's pizza, so it's obviously going to be delicious, and I really love pesto. So this is like an A+. You should definitely make this recipe. As for the decorations, maybe smaller olives would have helped the spiders maintain their shape. As this thing cooked, the spider legs kind of whooshed away from the bodies. But whatever, it tastes really, really good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made this recipe before, let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. And as always, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Until next time.